How's it going, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to give you my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S9 that I picked up like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks. And just let you know, like, my overall thoughts of first using the device. This is not going to be an in-depth, comprehensive review. This is just going to be my first thoughts on actually using the device day to day and what I think about it. So I think we should discuss the main points of a smartphone: that's build, design, speed, battery life, performance, stuff like that. So extra features, stuff like that. I can tell you, I was considering getting an iPhone, and after using this, I don't want to get an iPhone ever again. Kind of enjoying the Samsung experience a lot more than I thought I would, and I love what Samsung has done with their One UI. This is running One UI, Android 9.0. This version of Android is basically, at least for Samsung, their edition is made for one-handed use, and it's been amazing so far. Just using the device overall, I've had no issues. Everything is meant for one-handed use on this phone. I love the new what is it, the when you open an app, say like settings, you go here, and then the multi-view window. On the previous devices, you would have to swipe either left or right. Here you swipe up to delete it, and I think that's great. Also on my LG G6, there's no app drawer, at least out of the box. There's no app drawer. You could change that in settings, but it didn't look right on here. App drawer is so easy to access. You just swipe up and here are all your apps. On my phone here, I try to keep a simple design. I got 2 pages. I don't want more than 2 pages right now. I got mail, some apps I use: Uber, Chipotle, rewards, Instagram, social media, Samsung, Google, shopping, social. I got it all really clean layout and stuff like that. So software has been great, I'll say that. Speed, A+. I've had no lag on this phone. It's been absolutely incredible, and yeah, no lag. I've been using this for watching YouTube, browsing the web, emails, Amazon, stuff like that. And yeah, I really have like no complaints overall. When it comes to speed, people said this, like, I've seen reviews on this, and people have basically said that over time this is not lagged at all. It's stayed pretty consistent when it comes to speed. Also, I disabled Bixby. Not a Bixby person. I'm using Google Assistant for now. Let's talk about hardware. Love this fingerprint sensor. I also have a carbon fiber case on here, really grippy, nice and thin too. I love the hardware on this phone. Fingerprint sensor, great, nice and quick. Camera, insanely good. Also, I use the edge lighting effect on here. Also, I love the always on display, as you can see here. That's great as well. Tells you the time and notifications and stuff like that. Yeah, so I disabled the Bixby button. The only thing I have it mapped to is YouTube, to open up YouTube. So just I'll show you right here. Let me unlock the phone. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, just click it once and it'll launch YouTube, which is pretty awesome. I have no complaints about that. Volume key is great, solid. Power button, great, solid. I still use navigation buttons. Not a huge fan of gesture-based stuff yet. May adapt that or adopt that in the future, but I'm gonna stick with the navigation keys. Also, I love the pressure sensitivity that this has. So design, all that, great design. Love the screen, Super AMOLED. Keeping it at 1080p just because I want to preserve battery life, because that's like the one drawback of this phone. It only has a 3,000 milliamp hour battery, but that's fine. It has better battery life than my LG G6 that I previously had, and the screen is 10 times better than my LG G6, even though I'm running this on only 1080p. So yeah, that's basically it for my mini review, guys. The only drawback is the battery life, but it's okay. It's not the best. It's not bad by any means, but it still has USB-C for fast charging. It's got the dual stereo speakers, aux cable. It's got everything you want on this phone, guys. Honestly, I've got no complaints on it so far, and even though the battery's not that great, it's got insanely fast charging, so that for me is good enough. So yeah, guys, I also uploaded a live stream today. I forgot to make it public, or I'm sorry, archive it for you guys to watch, but I did do a live stream live Q&A. It was great. I loved how you guys came out and chatted with me. I thought that was really interesting. Going to be doing them more in the future, and make sure I archive it so you guys can watch it later on if you missed out on it, because I know not everyone was there to actually like see it. So yeah, guys, also go check out my merch store. I got new merch in there, and if you want to become a channel member, you can do that as well. So all that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.